midst of everything, and in the staging area, notice something. We are separating. So, the guys over here at KHC, Crazy Ass Customs, gonna help me out here, get some support brackets. Gonna do a little install. Get this taken care of. Said it needed a knife, so brought him a knife. Hopefully it opens back up. There it goes. So what we're doing is we're installing these support brackets. We're upside down here. Turn this around. Which helps prevent bed separation, which is going on this side.
Will take me back to when I was young. How come I'm never able to identify where it's coming from?
So we just finished up Crazy Ass Customs Bed Support. Final product. We are back to stock gas. Look at that. You can see a little bit of switch from before, but that thing is way better than what it was. Thanks to the guys from Crazy House.